How to fix TikTok can't change date of birth. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok can't change date of birth. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down to the bottom and there you can just tap on help center. And now here, you can just tap on report a problem, and on the report a problem page you can simply scroll down and tap on need more help button, and here on the next page you can just tap account, and there you can simply select I want to update my birth date. And here with that, what you can do is you can just tap on edit date of birth button, and after that on the next page you can simply choose your correct date of birth, and after that you can just tap on confirm to save your changes. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.